150 miles on the Rebel. That's all this thing has. Okay, he's indicating I should go around him, but dude, you're not giving me room. It's a blind, okay, there we go. It's a blind turn. All right. He scooted over for me. Oh, shit. Shit! All right, I got pulled over, guys. I was literally... How did I know that was gonna happen? Ooh, did I get pulled over? Oh, okay. Yeah, I did. All right, this is how you talk to cops and be nice about it. Hi, officer.
How you doing?
Doing great.
License, registration, proof.
Yeah.
He's doing 50 miles per hour in a 35 and you still pass.
I'm sorry?
He's doing 50 miles per hour.
Was I?
He was.
Oh, he was.
Yeah. Speed limit is 35.
Okay.
Still passed him whenever he's doing 50.
Oh,
He's going to get a speeding ticket. You're going to get a speeding ticket and passing in a no passing ticket.
Oh, he was indicating for me to go around him.
He can't indicate on a double yellow to go around him, can he?
Okay.
Can he do that?
No, he can't. I thought he was pulling off to the side, though. I didn't go over the line.
Oh, yes, you did. Yes, you did. I watched. I was right there.
I know. He pulled over and I went over. I thought he was pulling off on one of those pullouts.
Passing in the same lane.
He was pulling off, I thought.
Is that legal?
Sir, I'm not arguing that that's not legal, but I thought he was pulling off onto the side.
There's no passing zone. You can't pass there.
But what's the pull?
Or not? If he stops, yes, you can. If he pulls all the way off the side of the road, yes, you can.
That's what I thought he was doing.
As long as he's in the lane, you cannot pass there.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I thought that's what he was doing. This is a brand new bike. This is only got 150 miles, but I got my license here.
50 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour. You see your license, your registration, your proof of insurance. 346, second plate is. You're gonna wave somebody around? You're gonna wave somebody around you? Is that what you did? What? You waved him around you?
I think that's right, so we can pass it.
Yeah, you gotta pull over off the side of the road. You can't just give him part of the lane. You give him the whole lane.
Oh, okay.
There's numerous turnouts. But you're doing 50 miles per hour and he's going by you. Registration, proof of insurance. Arizona. This little part is 35. And the entire road is 35. Really? Then you can't go in. You can't drive this van anymore, right? You can't drive it anywhere. Let me see your registration. me see your driver's license. Okay, can you pass whenever somebody just gives you part of the lane?
No.
Because they still own the lane,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Can't do it in the city, you can't do it up here.
Yes, sir.
Can you go by somebody at a red light and pass in the middle and be the first one at the line?
No, sir.
The light? It's the same rule.
Yes, sir.
They own that lane, you cannot do that.
Yes, sir.
They're doing 50 miles per hour. Should you pass them at 50?
No, sir.
Because what's the speed limit?
35.
Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Next time I see you, we aren't having a conversation. I am very fair, but whenever you do stuff like that, it doesn't work so well.
Yes, sir.
Doesn't work so well for you, doesn't work so well for me, because I don't want to see anybody get hurt.
Yes, sir. I understand, sir. Thank you.
Have a good day. If you're filming me, don't just put part of it on there, put the whole thing on there.
Oh, yeah, they're still running.
Oh, if you're filming me, put the whole thing on Facebook, not just part of it.
Oh, no, sir, I have a YouTube channel, and it's this right here. I used to be a firefighter, resigned. I was showing basically what this little bike, if it can make up this mountain. I didn't realize how fast I was going. So I'm sorry, sir. I preach safety the whole time, talk about mental health, and...
Can I steal this, Dan?
Yeah, you can have that. It's a magnet. That's me. I don't...
But yeah, we don't pass anywhere there's a double yellow unless they give you the entire lane. And there's numerous locations where they can pull over. So what you do is you just slow down and say, I can't.
Will do. Yeah, I was... Mistake. I'm sorry, sir. I truly respect law enforcement. I used to be a firefighter. That's why it's DanDanTheFireman. DanDanTheFireman. I was 11 and a half years.
So you do this full time? How do you afford this full time?
Well, I was lucky enough to get people that want to learn how to ride, and I teach them how to ride. And I was going up this mountain to go to a camp out April 12th to the 14th. I was going to go to Rose Canyon to bring a bunch of men together. I got 25 people signed up, and that's why I'm going up there. And I got a 360 camera that I'm going to walk around in and say, hey, this is what we're going to do. And luckily, YouTube pays advertisement money, and then people donate money so that I can do this full time. So
thank you for doing what you do. Please don't do it.
No, I understand.
I would tell you, I saw the little, what do they call the little bikes from Honda?
Groms.
Groms.
Yeah.
Groms do 65 up this mountain.
Are you serious? Those are 125s.
Groms do 65 up this mountain. I guarantee you that'll do it.
Oh, okay. Well,
put that on there. I pulled them over at 65.
You pulled them over at 65?
Wrote them tickets at 65 on a Grom.
Holy crap.
So those that say Groms don't do that, yes, they do.
I didn't even know it could do that.
Groms can do 65.
Yeah.
They tailgate these cars, get sucked in on the wind, and then pass them on both sides.
Oh, they draft. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah. Yeah, this is my wife's or my girlfriend's bike. I'm teaching her how to ride, and it's only got 150 miles on it. So, I'm sorry, sir. Yeah, I don't want to take your time. Well, I left that camera running. So I turned this camera off while I was talking to the police officer. I was going too fast. So basically what happened, let's go and get my gloves back on. Now this is actually something, to be completely honest, I wasn't going what I was supposed to be going, all right? I was having a little fun. I was seeing what this bike could do. And it was getting a little embarrassing, that's why I turned this off, to be honest. I mean, getting pulled over, I haven't been pulled over, I don't know, 2012, maybe? So anyways, I get pulled over because he actually clocked that guy going too fast. Okay, so he clocked that guy going too fast, and I was behind him. And then when he saw, as soon as I did it, as soon as I went around, because I thought the guy was pulling off to the side, I even mentioned it. It's like, you're not giving me room. And I'm like, oh, okay, there he goes. And then I went. I thought he was pulling over to the side, and he wasn't. So lesson learned. Shit happens. Shit happens. Very, very thankful. I talked to the officer. Just be respectful. All right, let's continue.